For the latest puzzle solutions, click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to be the first puzzle solver. Hey! Friends, welcome to our channel. Today we get you an interesting puzzle and the name of the puzzle is the chess puzzle. In this puzzle you can see our favorite characters Tom and Jerry, and they are seeing this puzzle and thinking as what will be the value of their king. So guys, let's help them to find the king's value. But before that, let's revise the chess piece's name. Here you can see this is king, queen, bishop, knight, rook, and its name is pawn. So guys, let's jump to the solution of this puzzle. Let's start. So before jumping to the solution of the puzzle, let's pause for 30 seconds and solve this puzzle together. And friends, please mention your answers in the comment section. And our time starts now. Three, two, one, stop! Hope you all enjoyed solving this puzzle and got the right answer. Let's jump to the solution and solve this first equation. So our first equation, you can see we have 3 queens and 3 pawns and their total value is equal to 30. When you solve this equation for queen and pawn, this will be queen plus pawn is equal to 10. We'll hold this equation right here and we'll solve other equations. Let's move to the second equation. Here you can see 2 bishop and 2 rooks and 1 queen and 1 rook, and their total value is equal to 35. We don't have any value of the chess piece here, so we'll leave this equation as it is and move on to the third equation. You can see in the third equation we have 3 knights and 3 pawns and their total value is equal to 18. So when you solve this equation, you will get 1 knight plus 1 pawn and their total value is equal to 6. Jumping to our fourth equation, here you can see the value of 2 pawns is equal to 1 knight, and from the third equation we know 1 knight plus 1 pawn is equal to 6. So putting fourth equation in the third equation, that is the value of 1 knight that is equal to 2 pawns plus 1 pawn is equal to 6. Solving this equation, we'll get the value of 1 pawn is equal to 2. Now putting back this pawn's value in the dependent equation, here you can see 1 knight plus 1 pawn is equal to 6, and we know the value of the pawn is equal to 2. So the value of knight will be equal to 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Now we know from the first equation, that is the dependent equation on the pawn. So queen plus pawn is equal to 10. We know the value of pawn, that is equal to 2. So solving this equation, we'll get the value of the queen, and the queen value is 8. Now moving on to our fifth equation, knight plus pawn is equal to bishop's value. We know the value of knight and we know the value of pawn, so 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Therefore value of bishop is equal to 6. Now we have the chess piece's value. Moving on to our second equation which we left, and we know the value of bishop now. So solving this equation, we'll get the value of the rook. So putting all the values which we know, that is 1 bishop is equal to 6 and 1 queen is equal to 8. Solving this equation, this is 2 multiplication 6 plus rook plus 8 plus rook is equal to 35. Now according to the BODMAS rule, we have to first solve these brackets. So according to solving this brackets, that this will be 12 plus 2 rooks plus 1 rook plus 8. So this will be 3 rooks, and 12 plus 8 is 20. So we'll keep this value to the right side. Therefore 35 minus 20, and the value of 1 rook will be 15 divided by 3, that will be 5. Now we have the value of every chess piece with us. 1 pawn equal to 2, 1 knight equal to 4, 1 queen equal to 8, 1 bishop equal to 6, and 1 rook is equal to 5. So now we can solve our final equation, and you can see our final equation as 1 bishop plus 1 rook, 1 knight, multiplication with 1 knight and subtraction with 1 queen. And you can see with the king here is 1 pawn. So we know the value of every chess item. We'll put this item's value in this equation as 1 bishop is equal to 6, rook's value is 5, knight value is 4, queen's value is 8, and 1 pawn value is 2. According to the BODMAS rule, we first solve this multiplication, then we'll get this value as 20. 20 minus 8 is 12. 12 plus 6 is equal to 18. So when you subtract this 2 to the left side, we'll get the value of king, and the value of the king is 16. And this puzzle is solved. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe, and please share this video with your friends and family. You can also follow us on our Instagram page, that is Puzzle Solver Video. Thanks again. Bye bye.